So here we are in Aonang Beach at the local shooting range, and if you go in, you can shoot. You've got little things.
Baby, look at me and talk.
You've got your shooting range, steel on the side there, so the stuff will bounce back and hit you. Um, it's, yeah, I don't know. That's pretty crazy.
Yes.
It's pretty crazy. So here's all the little guns they've got here on the side. So, we got 22 machine gun, an old shotgun. You should see it. It's a rickety old thing.
Oh my goodness.
So
They have
yeah.
the safe regulations, at least.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
Kind of scary.
Yeah.
But it's not about marksmanship. It's just about putting a bullet down range.
Yeah. Wow.
So, oh, and here they got the guns out on the counter bed. So they got Ruger 22. Looks like a 38. They got a 1911. That looks like a Glock. Is that a Glock? Yeah.
Lock.
Another 1911. Looks like a Smith. Yeah, it's a Smith.
Yeah. So how much it cost? 1,500?
อันนี้ .22 new model เหมือนกัน
Oh, new model.
เดียวกัน
Okay.
Oh, the new model. Okay.
5 bullets, 1,050 baht. 5 bullets, 780 baht.
How much is
So that's $28 Canadian. Yeah. And then here, and then you got all of your other ones here. 44 mag, 10 bullets,
Oh, this is the price?
3,500. Yeah.
So
Oh, and then
this
they
is
got
the
this
one.
hot deal price. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
โอเคค่ะ
Thank you.
มาแล้ว
Okay.
เลยบ๊ายบาย
Oh, no photo. Oh.